For years, you were told you could use the penny test to check the tread on your tires. That meant you took a penny, turned it upside down, and if you could still see the head when it was in between the tread of your tire, you didn't have enough left to drive safely. If part of the head was obscured by the tire, you could keep going for at least a little while longer. Now, while that is a pretty good way to check the tread of your tire, tread depth is not the only thing that determines whether a tire is safe to be driven on. Most tires are going to last you around 3 to 5 years or 75 to 100,000 kilometers, but obviously the length a tire lasts you is determined largely by how that vehicle is being driven. However, all tires expire eventually, and that's why our service advisors suggest changing yours once they get older. Old rubber will crack, and cracked rubber will separate from itself on the tire. If your tires are more than 5 years old, we suggest having them looked at by a professional. Some of the things that a professional will look for include uneven tread wear, damaged areas, bulges, punctures, damaged valve caps, and of course, low tread. Unfortunately, there is no magic formula for knowing when you need to change out your tires, so we suggest that you or a professional look at them at least once a year. Some tips our service advisors have for extending the life of your tires include ensuring that they have the proper air pressure in them, always aligning when the manufacturer suggests you do, regular tire rotation, proper storage of your winters and summers, and of course, regular inspection. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask our service advisor to take a look at your tires. And if you need new ones, just hop on over to the parts department. They'd be more than happy to help find one that fits your vehicle. Have yourself a wonderful day, and as always, drive safe.